The Bachelor of Science in Engineering Technology is focused on manufacturing. The goal is to prepare the workforce for the local industry.
I chose this major because I felt the engineering tech program here at Ohio State-Newark had more opportunities for me to grow and more opportunities for me to be competitive in the marketplace.
I was a physics major at a different university, and while that was great, it was a lot of theoretical work, just sitting with a notebook and figuring things out on pen and paper. So it's great to really get to understand the meat of the reality of what we're learning.
I think the biggest thing that made me want to do this program was just the amount of diversity in it. I get to do so much for this program. I get to work with robots, I get to work with circuits, I get to work on mills, lathes, CNC machines. There's so much in this program that I get to do. It's fantastic. And all that hands-on stuff is great for you. And it feels fun. It's great. I love it.
Newark is central to many industrial parks where they have the opportunity to go and practice what they learn. Also, we are just about 30 to 40 minutes from Columbus. The program was created with the feedback of the manufacturers in the area. We have an industry advisory council that give us basically review of the whole curriculum.
The skills that I'm really looking forward to out of this engineering technology program are more of the leadership, business acumen type of skills, not necessarily the engineering focus type skills, even though that's important. But what we're really looking for right now, what I'm looking for right now from an industry standpoint is going to be people who understand manufacturing through the engineering technology program, but can also lead and bring this company, bring industry to the next level from where we are today.
So the students are in labs learning so many different skills that are going to really match up what they see out in industry. The second thing is it's a very broad-based curriculum, so they're learning about the technology and different technologies they're going to see on the manufacturing floor, but they're also learning about business principles and manufacturing management. So really a broad degree that covers a lot of areas.
I'm from Newark. I always wanted to stay close to my hometown, and I love the ability to be hands-on with all of the work that we do. Almost all of our core classes as a major have a lab.
Student benefits from the small size class. We have a one-on-one relationship with our students. Lectures are small, labs are smaller. We know all our students. There is a relationship between faculty and students. You just need to come and see us. You really love it in here at Newark.